Hey guys, Jason here at Drum Percussion Studio, and for this video we're going to give you a little tutorial on a rudiment that's called a paradiddle. This is a pretty popular rudiment, and so we're just going to go over it a little bit, a couple things to think about when we're playing the paradiddle. You've probably already learned by now that a paradiddle is a sticking pattern where you play right, left, right, right, and then you do the opposite, left, right, left, left. And then something else that we're going to talk about in just a moment is something called an accent, and that's what this symbol is here, here, and down here. So that's going to be pretty important as well. So first thing I'm going to do when I'm practicing my paradiddles is I just want to get used to that sticking pattern over and over. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm doing everything correctly with my angle and my sticks and all of that good stuff that we've learned. And I'm going to play right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And as I do this over and over, it's really important that I keep everything very steady. I don't want to play some notes faster or slower than others. Okay, and now after I've done that a little bit, one of the things that is really important when we play a paradiddle is, if you notice, the first note of every group has what's called an accent, and that means that the note stands out a little bit. It's a little bit louder, not because we play harder. That's very important. You don't play the accent harder, but the note is going to be louder because we bring our stick up higher. And in class we talk about different stick heights, different levels. We call this level 4 for the accents. And everything else we're going to drop down to our lowest height, which we call level 1 for taps. So now I'm going to do the same thing again, but as I play, I'm going to be really specific about my stick height so that I have an accent on the first note and everything else is a tap. Ready, go. It's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. All right, and it's super important that we spend a lot of time working with a metronome. So I'm going to turn my metronome on. I like to hear subdivision, so in the metronome right now you're going to hear 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but the quarter note is right here. So it's a little bit faster than what I was doing, but not crazy fast. So here are my quarter note paradiddles. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I feel like I'm very comfortable with that, the next thing I can do is I can double my speed, playing twice as fast, and that's going to turn my notes into eighth notes. 1 and 2 and here I go. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 If I want to get even faster, I can double it again to make 16th notes. Cool. So that's kind of some of the basics of the paradiddle. Like I said, it's a very important rudiment, and after you really get comfortable with the paradiddle, there's lots of other paradiddles. We've got double paradiddles, triple paradiddles, paradiddles, all kinds of stuff. So really work on that paradiddle first, get it solid, and then we'll pick up with some other ones. So hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.